So hey everybody, and today's problem's name is find minimum in rotated sorted array. And let us see what the problem states. Suppose an array sorted in ascending order is rotated at some pivot unknown to you beforehand, and you need to find the minimum element, and you may assume no duplicates exist in the array. So we need to find the minimum element in the array in the rotated sorted array basically. So what makes this problem special? The thing is that we can find the minimum element in linear time complexity in O of n by simply going through the array and finding the least element. But the thing that makes it special is we need to do it in log n time complexity, and that is by using binary search. So that is what is special in this problem, and we'll just modify binary search a bit and we'll find the minimum element. You can see that initially the array was like this is the array given to us, and what rotated sorted means, you can see that the 0th element is shifted by 4 units in this array. 0 is here now, so it has been shifted by 4 units, and that is what means initially it was sorted and now it is rotated. So that is what rotated sorted array is. So what we do in binary search is basically we divide the array into half and then half, then half, and we look for the minimum element. Okay, so let's simply start. So I'll have to define two pointers from at start, low and high. Low will be at 0th index and high will be at num len minus 1. This is the last index, and then there will be a loop while low must and high, and inside that loop I'll define a mid, their mid. Okay, so int mid will be high slow by 2, and now the conditions will start the checking. So first of all, I'll be writing the condition if the given array is not rotated. It is sorted but it is not rotated. I'll tell you what is the case. Num.mid and nums of mid must be less than or equal to nums of high. So this condition is followed in a normally sorted array, ascending sorted array. You can see that if the array given to us would have been this, then you can see that middle element is greater than the lower one, and the middle element is less than or equal to the higher one. So this condition is for checking that only, and if such is the case, then I have to return nums of low. The starting index would be the lowest element. So after that, else if nums of mid is greater than or equals nums of low. So if the middle element is greater than or equal to the lower element, then that means our answer is not in the first half. The first half is already sorted, so our answer is the lowest element is not in that subarray. We have to look at the right part. So what I will do, I will simply initialize low as mid plus 1. So now the lower limit will be the middle element plus 1, and that means that we will be searching it in the right half. Else we'll go in the left sub part, and that means our high will be that means our high will be mid. Okay, so that means we'll search in the left sub array, and at last I will simply return nums of high. So that was the code, and let's just simply take this dry run. Let's just simply take a dry run on this. I have taken this rotated sorted array only that's given to us in the example. You can see that the lower element is 4 and the high will be 2 and the middle would be this. So as soon as we come inside this loop, we'll check simply if the first condition is followed. No, the first condition does not follow. As you can see that the middle element is not less than the higher one. So the first condition doesn't follow, then that means we'll come in this else if part. We'll see if the middle element is greater than or equals to the lower element. Middle element is 7 and the lower element is 4. So you can see that this condition is followed. And now I want you to see this. Since you can see that this array is sorted, okay, and this half sub array is already sorted, so this means that we have nothing to do in this sub array, and our minimum element lies in the right of it. So what I have done here is I have initialized low as mid plus 1. So now this low will come here at 0. So this means that I have nothing to do with this left sub array, and our control will be here. Okay, now this would be our sub array in which we will be searching. Our high will be 2, low will be this, and we again go into this loop. Middle element will be 1. So now you can see that when this would be the sub array that we are considering, now this if statement is true, you can see that the higher element is greater than or equals to the middle one, and the middle one is greater than or equals to left one. So this if statement will be true now, and I have simply returned the element at the lower index. So 0 will be returned, and 0 is the least element in this. So that is how this code works. Now let's just run this and see whether everything is right or not. Oops, there is some error. Oh, and we have taken high, not end variable name. Oh, the here also needs to be high. Mess the code a bit. Let's see. Runs. Okay, accepted. Now let's just submit it. And accepted. So hope it helps, and I'll see you in the next video.